Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I got a question for you. Should realtors take a day off? Better question would be, should realtors take weeks or months off? Here's what I mean by that. So here it is at this time. It's a little after 2 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock. I'm done for the day. You can see I got my casual Burberry shirt on. I'm going to the races. I own a bunch of racehorses, and we're taking the day off. So here's why this is important. A lot of realtors think that they're supposed to work their tail off and just keep working 7 days a week and be owned by this business. And then, first thing in the morning when you wake up, first thing you think about is real estate. And all day long you're hustling, and then the last thing you think about when you go to bed is real estate. So 24 hours a day you're focused on real estate, and you're trying to do this for this elusive retirement. I think that's a bad way to go. If you structure your business correctly as an agent, you can take your retirement in installments. And here's what I mean by that. We've got a lot of our coaching members, and I apologize for the bumps here. I'm in Columbus, Ohio, where they don't fix any roads. You may relate where you live. But what we do is we've got a lot of agents that take their retirement in installments. What I mean is they'll literally shut down for November and December. They'll go to another country. They'll go to their Florida home or their California home or whatever the case is. Start by taking a day off. Then take a weekend off. Then start to think about, man, could I really take a 2-week vacation where I don't look at emails? As a matter of fact, a vacation spot would be more desirable if there was no Wi-Fi available. You know why? Because you're going to structure your business much differently if you do it that way. It's so important for you to take days off. You will perform better. And I want to point something out to you as well. I know it's a crazy bright day here today. I can't get out of the light. But I want to point something out that you are working very, very hard, but you're not as productive as you would be today. You're not as productive as you would be if you were going on vacation tomorrow. Do you agree with that? Like, when you're going on vacation the next day, that you're going to have to get a lot accomplished today. There's no distractions. There's no messing around on the internet. There's no playing around for hours and hours, that type of thing. You got to get a lot accomplished. So the more that you're leaving town, doing fun things, spending time with the family or the loved ones or whatever, the better off you're going to be, because you'll be more productive and you won't waste that time. So I want you to think about, as an agent, should you start taking your retirement in installments? Who the hell wants to retire when they're 60 or 70 or 80 or 90 and not get anywhere, right? They don't want to, you can't do anything when you're 80 years old. You can't go out and enjoy. You can't go on the zip line. You can't do those fun things, right? So you're going to make sure that you can take that time now. I'm giving directions while we're talking here, but you'll want to make sure that you're taking time now. Take a week off. Take an afternoon off where literally you don't take any calls, you're not messing with email, you don't take any appointments. Schedule that time for yourself. So what you're doing is you're taking your retirement in installments. It's so crucial for you to do this, because you'll build your business better. You'll be more productive on the hours that you are working. You'll actually make more money by working less hours. Now, I know that sounds like a facade. You hear people say that all the time, make more money with less effort. But I'm telling you, if you're working in a more focused environment when you are working, I think you'll find that you'll be more successful. So think about that over the next few days here. I coach a lot of agents on how to become more successful with what they're doing. If you haven't been on our Wednesday webinar, I'm doing one this Wednesday as well, closingseverymonth.com. You can get registered for that, and we'll talk a little bit about, hey, if you do an extra 3 or 4 closings a month, I'll bet you can take some time off. Do you agree? So this is not about just selling more real estate or working harder or longer hours or even handling more clients. This is about, how do you live the lifestyle you want to live? So this afternoon, I've got 3 horses racing tonight, 5 horses racing tomorrow, and we get to enjoy our time. So this morning I was up early. I put in a lot of hard hours this morning. Some of you heard from me this morning where we were communicating back and forth. Did tons and tons of work, but that's so that we can check out, so that we can leave. And we're leaving town right now to go watch my horses race, have a little fun. It's at a county fair, which means I'll be eating funnel cakes and elephant ears and fried everything. They got fried Oreos and fried Snickers, and I think they got fried crickets, but I'm going to skip that one. But it's a good chance to get fat. It's a good chance to enjoy your time. So I want you to think about that moving moving forward. Again, stop working, hoping for this elusive day that when you're 113 years old, you can then stop selling real estate. Stop selling real estate for a week this year and enjoy it, and go big, go first class, do the fun things that you want to do, and start taking this in installments. I think you'll find if you structure your business right, over a year or two, you'll probably be able to take a month off. Can you imagine like taking off the whole month of December? Like completely shut down. No listings, no buyers. If anything comes in, you refer it to a trusted advisor or something like that, but you're not handling it yourself. I think you'd find you would be a lot happier that way. So anyway, we are heading down on this crazy bumpy road that she's driving me on here. I'm not driving, by the way. This is not a roller coaster ride. We're heading towards the roller coasters. But start thinking about what it would take for you to retire. Again, Wednesday, I want to be working hard. Closingseverymonth.com. Check it out. It's probably in the description. Where's the description at? Is it over here or over there? Closingseverymonth.com. You can register for Wednesday's training. By the way, a lot of you have asked, are there various sources that you can get good information from? As I do tons of free info to really get your mind working the right way. You should subscribe to 3 things: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We have various information on there. Actually, next week, I'm shooting a whole bunch of elaborate training videos for YouTube, and I want to share that with you. It's totally free. So they're all at Greg Luther Coaching. So if you go to youtube.com/Greg Luther Coaching, you can subscribe and turn on the notifications there. Ring the bell. And that way you'll get that notification when those things come up. I want to help you as much as I can. It's totally free. Not trying to sell you anything. We've always got stuff for sale. We've got a lot of agents that want to move up in the world and start selling more real estate. Hey, I'm here when you're ready. If I keep paying enough taxes, maybe we'll fix these damn roads. But anyway, closingseverymonth.com. Start thinking about what you need to do to take your retirement in installments. Maybe you just take it in one afternoon. I think you'll find that you'll work harder before you head out of town. We'll talk to you later. I'm Greg Luther, GregLutherCoaching.com, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.